hmm You know, just thinking of this forgery, yeah. hmm And my wife not signing this protection order, yes. Um, there's a possibility that the arrest that took place for the two-count criminal complaint was that you wanted me to not have my sons because of a dissolution of marriage where I didn't get any notice of court hearings. Yes. I didn't get the dissolution of marriage. Now, the day of the arraignment was the 21st day of August of 2017. Yes. And I personally asked the judge during the arraignment, yeah, why did you send the notice of court hearings? Oh, you sent it to Mike Van Proyn, 1023 Kitchen Dick Road. And being that good pastor, yes, that is guilty of maternity fraud, he decided to just send it back as mail unclaimed. Yeah, as if I were still residing there. Now, this whole idea of court rules, yes. I think that this says something to the effect that on personal recognizance, yes, defendant shall comply with terms and conditions previously set on this case. Shall appear on 15th March 2016, 9 a.m., and as further ordered by the court. Yes. Now, when the public defender's office said that, well, we know you don't have any cell phone minutes, yeah, and you emailed me on a Thursday, 2 judicial days before the court hearing, yes. And I said, I'm not evading going to court. I just want the notice ordering me to go to the court. Yeah. And you said, well, if we request it, you have to do it. It's a little different than an order of the court. Now, I think that maybe somebody was being a little flippant with the whole email thing. Yeah. Now, the court having determined that personal recognizance, yes, will not reasonably assure the presence of the defendant when required, or that the defendant, yes, may be a danger to the community, imposes following conditions of release, personal recognizance. Yeah, somewhat confusing, really. Now, it says that I shouldn't violate the criminal laws. I should not contact Heidi Budnick that alleged that I violated the restraint provisions in Sequim, Washington. But I wasn't there. Now, this defendant shall contact court-appointed counsel within 48 hours and maintain contact. Yes, the public defender's office. There should be a similar condition of the personal recognizance in Jefferson County. But the first time that I talked to Jack Range was when he told me I was going to have a 1077. Now, I'm just wondering, yes, there was no condition of contact. Court and determined that there is substantial danger the defendant committed imposed following condition. I have to obey the Clallam County contact order, yes, that has forgeries on it. Right. That I didn't get any due process. Yes, that has been used to alienate me. Has caused my sons to be in the wrong grades. Yes. Mm. Now, here in the said defendant committed custody. Yes. Let's see here. Personal recognizance. Yes. 48 hours opposes defendant. Defendant shall not drive. Defendant shall not possess. 9 a.m. Defendant shall report to 9 District Court Monday through Friday. Yeah. Clear any outstanding warrants. No violation of criminal laws. Political subdivision. United States. 9 a.m. Said that I have read this, understand all of it. I'm homeless, Port Angeles, Washington. This is my phone number. Poop. 9/19/2017. I guess there is no order to contact the public defender's office. Exactly how do you complete discovery within 14 days without an obligation to have to contact the public defender's office? Maybe it's a different piece of paper. you know? Yeah, because look at see the difference here. Yeah, hereby ordered above named defendant be released from trial following conditions personal recognizance. Travel residence remained at address known to the court. Yes, court determined on impose the following conditions. Yes, um, Brennan, Washington. Oh, outstanding warrants, no violations. Yes, yes, yes. Read, I agree and promise to appear before at any place as the court may order upon notice delivered to me at my address stated below upon notice to my attorney. Further agree, blah, 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 blah. Pooh. Well, there was no condition of personal recognizance for me to have to contact the public defender's office. But how could you complete discovery? Can you obligate a 1077 without there being discovery? Yeah, I don't see how you could do that. See, I was arraigned. Yes, she was. Now, this thought, yes, that you could file a 2-count criminal complaint when there's an obligation of both the prosecuting attorney's office and the public defender's office, an obligation to do a little discovery before obligating a 1077. But you didn't do. I think there's a lawsuit in. I like to use the judicial system of the United States. Now, Judge Porter, yes. 1023 Kitchen Dick Road, yes. This is what you call a summons, subpoena, or notice. Yes, yes, yes. You are ordered to appear, required to appear at this district court on this day and time. Exactly why is it that like Van Proyen right now? Continued to receive notices from not only this county, yes, but Jefferson County, yes, and probably would have received notices from any county of the United States of America. I was homeless. Why was my mail being sent to Mike Van Proyen? Yes. From the time that I moved from there on the 20th of December of 2012. Why is Mike Van Proyen obstructing my rights as an American citizen? Arraignment date. Speedy trial. Discovery shall be completed. Obligation. The prosecuting authority's obligations. The defendant's obligations. Court rules. 14 days from arraignment. Why did I go to this? Why did I go here? Yes. Why did I go to this? Yes. Why did I go to this? Yes. You're telling me that right now that no one has intentionally violated all of my rights for the last 3 years because no one wanted to admit the evidence. Now, from the article, yes, Mark Nichols. Why is it that no one got the evidence that I wasn't in Sequim, Washington? You have an obligation. Yes. Prosecuting attorneys. How can you obligate a 1077 without any discovery? Well, let's say my mental illness and mental defect. Yes. The schizophrenia. My bipolarism was somehow miraculously healed. Yes. Wouldn't you have an obligation? Yes. To still have to do discovery before doing a 1077? And for what's his face? Yeah, Roberts. When I put the social security numbers and the birth dates of my sons, yes, online because they're in the wrong grades, yes, though I did not know that then. Didn't know it. I do know that I did not get notice of the hearings for the dissolution of marriage. Now, as much as you say that you're right now,